everybody, welcome back to this channel. Remember, this channel is by Jane Nyamanga, and in this channel you get to see amazing technology that we are yet to see it today. And today we are doing a review of another video that we did for recycling plastic. So today we want to show you what you can do with the materials from that factory to this place. So guys, I told you wherever I walk I make friends, and I have an amazing friend called Dr. Oscar Agan. By the way, he's a real doctor. One day I want to have an interview with him just to tell us this name doctor, yani where it came from. I know it's a big name. Sindio Daktari?
Yes, it is.
One day we can have a 1 hour interview. Sindio Daktari?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So Daktari will take us through. As you can see, this wall, these are not blocks, these are not concrete, these are plastic interlocking blocks. And I'm urging you, you have to watch the previous video on the recycling of plastic so that you get to know what I'm talking about. So I'll just hand over to my friend to just take us through what these are and everything about this place. Daktari, you are.
Thank you, viewers. My name is Dr. Agan Oscar, and I am a serial entrepreneur. Basically, my background is I am an epidemiologist by what you call the medical terminology, but I double up as an industrialist. So this is a wall block of innovation made from waste plastic, which we use to address housing systems, to address youth unemployment, to address affordability, and to address deforestation across the African continent. This is a sample of what is there. It gives you a house, a regular house with everything like what you can see. The lights can go on. Then the walls that are here can be painted, and the walls that are here can also be plastered. The walls can be plastered so that it looks like a typical house. Then the windows, we intend to fix in sliding windows which enable take a very small space.
So this is not concrete also?
We tried plastering just to demonstrate here.
Okay.
That you can plaster it.
But these are still plastic blocks.
These are actually beams.
Beams?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are beams. We got beams here. And this is also a beam.
Okay.
All right. Now within the beam, you can do the electrical conduits. Within the beam, you can do what you call the plumbing. And you can see the ceiling is also there, and the roofing that is all plastic. So
all plastic?
Yes, this is all waste plastic, not just plastic.
Oh, waste plastic.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
So one of the advantages of this kind of house is that it's very affordable, much cheaper than doing a container, because a container is quite expensive, almost double the price of this.
Oh, okay. But
this is extremely low, very affordable and very durable. One is that the block can stay for ages, over 100 years. Then you also don't need the traditional foundation. You don't. You just put in slabs.
Okay.
And then you have an underlying what you call this is a pillar.
Oh, this
is a pillar that is screwed on the ground.
Okay.
Then on this pillar the block will come in and interlock.
Okay.
You don't need to do a foundation on it.
So you just put a slab?
I did put a slab.
Okay.
The 2x2s like what we have there. And then you do this, so you can do this house in 1 day.
In 1 day?
Yes.
So instead of buying a container, by the way?
It's much cheaper. It's almost half the price of a container.
Okay. So these blocks, you sell them from the other factory?
Yes, we sell them from the other factories.
Yeah.
They are made from waste plastic. We make roofing tiles, we make fencing posts. The difference is the molds.
Oh, okay. So guys, I told you, you have to watch the other video. So this is part 2 of the other video. So when you watch that video, you get to know everything that happens there to get an end product of these interlocking poles, and you will get to have a basic information of what we are talking about. So we came here to show you now what we can do with the end product of those materials the other side. So this is a structure that have just been made.
It also works very well for the pastoral communities.
Or pastorals.
Because you can dismantle it and move to the other side.
Or you can dismantle.
Yes, you can dismantle it.
And you don't do away with the material. It's just
carry the material to the other side.
You
dismantle it into pieces.
Into pieces. Ah, okay, okay. And you don't use cement anywhere in the interlockings.
You don't need cement anywhere. They all interlock.
They are all interlocked. So you just come and place them.
Knock them with a light hammer, and they lock. Once they interlock, then you use them for doing classes. You use them for doing any house.
Ah, okay.
And it's a lot more cost effective compared to conventional material.
Oh, okay.
What the concept is behind this is that we are housing Africans using the garbage, because this is garbage.
Oh, this is the garbage for housing.
Garbage, yes. And as you can see, it's quite aesthetic. If we can also, you can also clad out here using mazeras and using stones so that it looks like an ordinary house.
Oh, okay.
You can do the cladding. We'll leave it this way to look plastic.
Oh, okay.
Then the roof tiles are also plastic.
So we
and what you call a resin.
And this ceiling.
And the ceiling is the ordinary ceiling. This gypsum ceiling.
Oh, this gypsum.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
But you can also use them. We have plastic ceilings also.
Oh, plastic ceilings. Yeah, I've seen them. You
can use plastic ceilings if you want it.
Okay.
But what we are saying is that accommodation has become very dynamic. And today, as Africans, we can afford to house ourselves using what we consider to be garbage. The speed, the time taken, the cost,
time,
speed, quality of the house,
quality, cost.
And the cost is what determines this way above the conventional construction system.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So what Africans are looking for are basically a housing solution. So instead of having a mud house, or instead of having what you call an iron sheet house, the discomfort that is there with iron sheets, the unreliability with mud, the biodegradation of mud is way below this. Does this will not biodegrade? It doesn't succumb to earthquakes either.
Yeah.
And it's fast. You could get it in a day.
So you can take a day constructing this?
Yes, a day. We took a day to do this.
A day?
Yes.
Ah.
Once you have the running pillars screwed on the ground, and then we join them with this metal plates.
Okay.
You can see the metal plates there.
Yeah.
Then once that is done, then you just simply interlock, and
the house is just complete.
And then you do the roof, and you got the lighting, and at night you sleep in your house. So it really fits what you call the Simba in the Simba house.
Yeah, in Ushago.
Yeah, so for the bachelors or the first time married that want to have a decent, affordable house, this is the way to go.
Yeah, if you want to.
Affordable, it's very decent, it's very aesthetic, and it's cost effective.
Exactly.
Right.
So guys, as you've heard from the horse's mouth, this is a cost effective construction. Yes. You don't have to buy iron sheets. You don't have to. You don't even have.
Especially within the tropical areas.
Yeah, exactly.
Like for now, you realize that there is some abnormal heat.
Kabisa, it's true.
So this one has no thermal conductivity. The house will always remain cold. Whether you're in Garissa, whether you're in Mogadishu, whether you're in Kisumu.
The temperatures are controlled, regulated.
Right. And then it's a house that you can't break it unless you formally pull it out one by one.
So the safety is also
the safety is guaranteed.
Assured.
Yes.
Okay.
Then the other thing is that quality here plays a key role. Quality and
durability. Durability as well, I'm saying.
Durability plays a key role. So you look for us on www.vanguardcontractors.co.ke.
Okay.
Vanguardcontractors.co.ke, which is an associate organization of AJ Oscar Group of Companies.
Okay.
And we are looking to solve the slum proliferation. We are looking to solve deforestation, because we realize that numerous housing projects bring down massive trees in Africa.
That's true.
So to replace cutting of trees, we have your garbage, your plastic, which is a perfect substitute to deforestation. And then this is a perfect substitute to slum proliferation in the slum areas.
Yeah.
And we intend to extend it to other countries. We're already trying something in Somalia.
Okay.
And we are looking forward to championing this kind of technology across the continent.
So, Daktari,
Right.
for this small structure, you know, this can be somebody single room or somebody
It's an equivalent of a 20-foot container.
This one exactly.
Exactly, this is 20-foot container.
This is a 20-foot container.
It's an equivalent of
And the 20-foot container goes for now they're going for 360,000.
By the time you put up a house on a 20-foot container, you'll be minus 650,000.
Yeah, it's true, because you have to purchase.
Purchase it, transport it, then fabricate it.
Yeah.
But this one is about 400,000.
So the structure here,
The way you see it,
plus everything, electricity, the roofing.
Yes.
So 400,000, you are done.
you're done, yes.
And okay, guys, this is a very, very noble idea. And that is the reason why I'm shooting this video, by the way, so that I show you the options of building a house. You don't have to use iron sheets, as you're told. Cement is not needed in this place.
Then we've also gone ahead and done some outdoor furniture.
Or outdoor furniture that from...
They are weatherproof, they are termite proof or insect proof, and they can stand all the weather depending on, regardless of where you are.
Okay. So these are still concrete as well.
Sorry?
These ones, they are still the plastics, Hama?
This is the same plastic.
These are the same plastics?
Yes.
Okay.
And you can see it's quite heavy duty.
Yeah, it's heavy, by the way. And you're saying it's weatherproof.
It's stayed here for some time. We are not done with the finishing, but it doesn't change. It doesn't biodegrade.
Yeah.
The weather doesn't affect it.
So it's been here for a long time.
Yes, we'll finish them sometime later.
All these materials you get from the other side.
Yes,
So somebody individually can come and buy them.
You can buy the material.
You don't pass through somebody, you just come individually.
Just come in. Yeah, you can call me on 0727 54 64 39. My name is Dr. Gan.
Yeah.
And you can, if you got your artisan to do it, you could come and buy them and go get your artisan, get you the kind of design you want. Or you can come and we do you, because we got a workshop where we also do the joinery works.
Okay.
And the choice is yours. You got a wide variety. You got a wide variety in terms of color. If you want them colored, they can be colored. You want them uncolored, they remain gray.
They remain gray like this one now. You've seen as the roof, this is what the roof looks like. This is the material, and remember, it is plastic waste. This is not an iron sheet, it's not rolling mabati, no, it's just plastic waste. Isn't it, Doctor?
It is your waste.
Yeah.
We mold it into a resin. The advantages are numerous. One is that it also has no thermal conductivity.
Okay.
Whether the temperatures are minus 50 at St. Petersburg or they are 40 at Mogadishu, it remains
the same.
It doesn't change the temperature.
Okay.
Number 2 is that the water is safe to drink. That's very key.
Oh, when you harvest the water.
When you harvest the water, it's safe to drink. I'll give you a medical guarantee as a doctor that the water is safe to drink. Number 3 is that it's fireproof.
Oh, I can't light it.
You can even pour, you can pour super petrol on it. It will not burn. It's the petrol that's gonna burn. It doesn't break. You can run your V8 on it.
Even if I just do pop.
It doesn't break. It won't break.
Completely.
It doesn't break.
Even if I jump on it.
Yes.
No breakage. This is 200 shillings. 10 of these is
a square meter.
Right. So 10 of these is 2,000 shillings.
Exactly.
And how many builds construct this Dini?
This one must have been about 130 pieces.
130 pieces.
Yeah,
so you can do your maths. You can do your mathematics. 130 pieces for this small structure.
But it's the whole house.
It's a whole house by there. I've seen it's like a bed sitter. Kabisa.
It's costing about 380 to 400,000.
Yeah, cumulatively.
Yes.
Yeah.
Finished
kabisa.
Right.
Okay. So guys, my purpose for bringing you in this place is just to show you an affordable way of even having a home. You can have a home affordably. Don't go for containers. Containers are too expensive. First, you acquire the container. You have to do interior design of the container. I'm sure you have to use cement for the floor, for the slab. And here I'm showing you something very, very affordable through plastic waste management. You get the roof, you get the walls, the interlocking blocks. They are all plastic but very, very, very durable. You've been given a 30-year guarantee on the roofing. So guys, keep tuned to this channel for more knowledgeable videos and something that will make you change from what you're doing and what you can do in your future life. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Like, share and subscribe. I will leave Daktari's number on this video. When you want to contact him, you'll always get him. By the way, he's very, very, very efficient. You just call him and he picks up 24 hours every day, 365 days in a year. See you. I love you all.